Today I'm going to create interactive accordion in Figma. So I will start from question label and chevron icon. You can create this with the pen tool. It is very simple to use. Make the both corner round. Change the color of the text to black. Select both and add auto layout. I will reduce the gap between two and create some text. I'm going to use Lorem Ipsum plugin to generate sentences. This is 100% free for Figma. Make it auto layout. I will change the padding to 0, left and right padding 0. Now I add a bottom stroke so that it should look separate from the answer. Select both and add auto layout. Make the gap 0 between two. Change the color of the text. Now I will select the frame and add component. Yes. Now I'm going to add property. One variant. Okay. Make sure to clip content so that we can shrink it easily. Go to prototype. Before that we have to change the chevron direction because it is open now, so it will be up, and before prototyping we have to change the name. It will be closed and this will be expanded. Smart animation. I will take a new frame to show the label. Drag it, duplicate it 2 times. Add auto layout. It is working fine. Yes, all of 3. Now I want to change some label, so I'm going to change the question 1, question 2, question 3. We can do any changes. Now I have to make this perfect. So select all 3 and make it fill container. Now it is fine. Yes, it is working now. If you like it, please subscribe.